Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create new Google Sheets in Google Sheets mobile app. Alright, the first thing you should do is, of course, you have to open your Google Sheets app on your Android phone. Then if you want to create a new file or new Google Sheets, you can click on this plus button. Then you can select the template that has been available on Google Sheets, or you can also click new spreadsheet right here. And for example, I'm going to choose template, and there are a lot of templates you can use from the Google Sheets. You can use schedule template or annual calendar or maybe to-do list. It's up to you, and you can choose it as you like. And if you want to create new file on Google Sheet without using the template, you can simply click on new spreadsheet right here and wait for a moment, and it's still loading, and here we go. And you can edit the Google Sheets as you like. And okay guys, that's how we can create new Google Sheets in Google Sheets Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.